One of the reasons that I chose this shed, storage building, whatever you want to call it, is because of the way it was built. And you know, obviously most of the stuff you see surrounding it and stuff, I did that work myself. But I even had some neighbors say, hey, we'll help you out, and you want to build a shed, we'll help you. So, you know, I started doing the math and how much lumber cost, and then the main concern was, how long was this going to take me? Like months. You know, I'm a senior citizen, some stuff I gotta have a lot of help. But even after doing the math and everything else, and you guys were so great about working with me to see exactly so I just thought, I can never build this building as good as they are. They know what they're doing. They got the stuff, they got the equipment, and it's just gonna save me time. I really didn't know how the rest of this was gonna turn out till after I built the building, but everything has gone great. I just can't say enough great things that I know everybody likes to do home projects and stuff, but you buy a shed from these guys, they're gonna take care of that part. It's gonna be custom the way you want it, and they'll work with you. I mean, I've just been so impressed from the very beginning.